Hello everyone, so we are in the Salty Dog Gastro Pub on the Ruby Princess, so we're going to give this a try and we're going to bring you with us, show you what we have for dinner. We're just going to scan around here a little bit, and this is located in the Wheelhouse Bar on board the Ruby Princess. This is the menu here, and I'll have to talk loud because of the loud music over my head once again.
I don't know when.
We'll let you know what we get. Thanks for watching. Thanks for cruising with us. We have placed our order, so we are just waiting because they're very, very busy and very short-handed all over the ship. So we're patient, but they are very short-handed. The crew's working really hard. Talk to you later. Maury. Thank you. Short change. Thank you.
Donald, one fried chicken sandwich is coming.
No worries. Thank you.
Ketchup, pepper, salt? Ketchup. Pepper and salt.
We'll let you know how it is. Thanks for watching. This guy's gonna let me try his calamari.
So salty, not crunchy at all. Oh my god.
Yeah, give it a shot here.
Wow, that's unedible. Really salty. Calamari. Oh my god.
Wow, that's heavy on the salt. Wow.
In the batter.
And yeah, the salt in the calamari itself isn't bad.
Jesus Christ. This is not about pork belly.
It's like a piece of bacon.
That is not pork belly. I'm sorry. Not a disappointing meal again.
Not too bad when you pull the bread in.
I'm gonna try my mac and cheese. My chicken sandwich is en route.
This is not medium rare.
Is that like?
Oh, that's well.
It's well done.
Well done. So tell us about your burger.
Well, from the way I look at it, and nobody want to eat it because it's already well done. It's not even medium rare. Is it medium rare to you?
Medium rare.
And this is it pork belly or is it bacon? Which one is it?
Looks like bacon.
Look how thin it is.
Well, let's try the mac and cheese, shall we?
We have a friend, Pat. She said something about
She didn't know what it was. I know. She's only 83 years old. It's not too bad. It has lobster in it. And it's edible. It's edible. It's not bad. Not bad. It's creamy. Thanks for watching. And here's my fried chicken. Fried chicken burger. Let you know how it is. Okay, so
next time when the guests complain about something burn, I think it's really is Cajun. It's not burn. Okay?
That's exactly right.
very dry, and it looks like my chicken's incinerated. But I'm gonna try it a little bit here. Now we're gonna try the sandwich here. Let's see. Dry, overcooked. Not very good breading, very greasy. I think they need to change the oil. I think we exceeded the 5,000 miles on the oil change. Anyway, just our perspective. I wouldn't order it again. The mac and cheese is okay. Let me try the fry.
Oh my god!
You try that? Yeah, let me try a French
Like
fry.
shock to my system.
The fries they're very salty. They're not as good as they are on the
Cajun inside like that.
Anyway,
You could,
just our perspective.
marinate
Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Alrighty. It doesn't come with coffee. I guess this is coffeeless. I thought it said coffee and donuts, but
No, it's an espresso mousse.
Oh,
Or coffee something. It's not coffee.
okay. So the dessert. 3 donut holes. And some mousse.
You can taste the refrigerator.
I know, it's already pre-made, I told you, I can tell, yes. It's already done for pre All they do just put the mint lead on. Yeah, it's already made, just like the tea time thing. And this thing too.
This is
same
like
thing.
this is like wax. I'm almost afraid to try it because it's dense. Like I had a hard time cutting through it, but I'm brave here. It's like a very dense ice cream.
And these are the one that in the elite
It's not bad.
lounge. The little papaya nuts and ginger or whatever, right? Right?
Try a donut here. It's ice cream. That's why it's so dense. Let's give the donut hole a try here. Donut holes are not very good. They are
Too much gelatin again.
They are very dry, old. Those are like 2-day-old donut holes.
Like this has
Just our perspective. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.